So to add Facebook story highlight on phone, it is quite easy and simple. Simply open up your Facebook app. So here we go. Now go and tap on these three lines at the right bottom corner. In case of Android, this would be at the right top corner. So open this up. This would open up the menu. Now go and tap on see your profile at the top. Now tap on these three dots at the right side of add story. And this would open up profile settings. Now you can see an option of archive. So tap on archive. And at the top you can see story archive. So tap on story archive. Now you will be able to see all the stories that you have posted on your Facebook account. And if you want to add some of these stories as highlights, simply go and tap on any of the photo that you want to add to the highlight. Here we go. Now at the bottom right, you can see feature. Tap on feature. It says new featured collection. Tap on here. Cover, title it, like for example, holidays. I say holidays. Done. Add more, you can add more to it, like I would like to this one. You can add multiple by tapping on multiple photos and tap on done at the right top corner. So once you have added it, you can also change the cover. So you can select any of this. For example, I use this one. And once you have added and done all the things, tap on done at the right top corner. And once you have tapped done, it will take a bit of a time to add the story highlights on Facebook. So once that is complete, go back to your profile. Now if you refresh your profile, you will be able to see that the holidays highlight on Facebook is added. So hopefully it has helped you in adding the story highlight on Facebook. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.